Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial series, we are looking into the concept related to Simulink. In the previous tutorial, we have also developed a model which is a kind of counter, usually reset with a predefined value and counts in step-by-step manner with an increment of value of 1. So in this particular tutorial, we will be looking into the concept related to what is a model configuration. So basically how you can access different configuration in the Simulink model. So this should be known to who are designing the Simulink model, and this will be more helpful if you go for changing different configuration for the model. So let's get started with the same. Here this is the output response for the model, where we have one constant, one signal generator, one relational operator, and one scope. If we go to the scope, then we can see the response from the model. So basically it is not doing anything special. It is just comparing the signals and with the constant. If you click on the gear icon, now you will be able to see this window. As we already seen this window, this is related to the start of the simulation time, stop of the simulation time, solver maximum time step, minimum time step, initial time step, and also the relative tolerance, absolute tolerance. So these things are more related to the solver. And if you see the next tab over here, so you will be able to see the data port. So here you can import something from the workspace, and here you can set some configuration. You can set the algebraic loop also, which we seen last time. Different configurations are there. So here you can also select different hardware related things. If you see to the code generation, so for every model you can select different type of code generation. You can choose either C or C++, and you can also choose which type of target hardware that you are aiming at, and that list will be visible over here on the screen. So if you see, you will have multiple types of hardwares that are available, and with that you can generate the C code. So usually people use embedded C coder, ERTTLC, or visual C solution. So these are the target hardware list that are available, and you can select any of the list, and then for that you can also generate the code. So that will be hardware specific. And yeah, there are different configuration related to the report for the code generation. So you can generate a code generation report. So you can check on these blocks, boxes, check boxes, then you can generate that. This is all related to the coverage you will get, like how much test coverage you have. So all these things are related to configuration, and most used configuration is the solver configuration, where you can change which type of solver you want. Like as you can see in the fixed type solver, there is some settings for variable type solver. There are different settings, so those settings you can update for your model if you have some specific requirement. Yeah, so this is all related to the solver configuration. Now let's move to the model explorer. So this is a kind of place where you can see all your variables. Like here you can see your constant, your relational operator, your scope. So all these things are being defined. This is a kind of tree-like structure, and here you can also get all the settings related to your model, and also the variables, which type of block you are using. And it is just like Windows Explorer. You have Explorer related to your model. So with that you can see, like you have used here relational operator. So that relational operator is shown there, which is this particular relational operator, which is also giving the output interface as Boolean. And the constant that you are using is also mentioned in the constant for the Explorer. So basically you will be able to drive drive everything through this explorer, and you can get the entire feel of the same through this explorer. What are the things that are being defined in this particular model? And this is all related to the model settings and configuration, and through this you can get a feel like what are the things that are present in your model. We will also see a lot of model properties related things in the future coming videos, where we will be adjusting the model properties for the Simulink models, and basically it can run a entire script on the back end, and then it can generate the outcome which is needed for the simulation to run. Like you can set some parameter, and you can just click on the run button. Those parameters will automatically get created. So such things will be there in the future videos, so we will cover that also. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment section. So happy learning MATLAB, and thank you. Have a good day.